Hello, this is my invention, Pego. I was playing with my children's toys, some plastic slotted discs which slide together. Next to me on the floor was the washing basket with some clothes pegs. Picking up some of the pegs and clipping them together started me thinking. I used Inventor software to look at the idea in 3 dimensions. Connecting normal pegs didn't reproduce a pattern outside 2 dimensions. I took the peg and added a dog leg, then changed to a hexagonal cross-section. This was the start of the idea, which I now thought was workable. Adding more faces to the hexagonal section led me to spheres. Having the internal curve the same as the external allows the ends to interlock. The spring acts to close on the clamp, but it also opens the spheres on the handle. Connecting the ends together with spheres provides more options for the clamps to connect to the body. To help with the idea, I paid a company associated with a man who has an MBE and a wind-up radio. They returned after a few months and advised that I don't spend any more money on the idea, as they thought it not commercially viable. I applied for a patent and registered the design. I looked at contact companies and then received a generic "we don't accept ideas" from inventors reply. Browsing the internet, I managed to find a competition to enter. To enter the competition resulted in making a prototype and tested the model's strength using finite element package within the software, and then produced a negative of the mould. To have a machine steel mould would have cost about £700, and this plastic one was £30. I then set up probably the cheapest production line in the world. But the resin leaks through the plaster of Paris moulds. Swapping from plaster of Paris to rubber fixed the problem, and the prototypes exist. Now, when it's raining, the children have a toy to play with, and should you visit friends or relations who don't have toys, then your children can play with their Pego.